What is up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, it's later in the day. It's a nice day here in Indiana. So, I figured we would take the 98 down to the farm. And basically this black rhino line on the bottom, there's some rust chipping through, as you can tell here and there. I'm probably just going to take the pressure washer, clean it all up, throw a piece of tape on there, and just take some like gloss black and blow it on there to make it look a little bit nicer, and then we'll kind of clean up that a little bit to blend it all together. But I figured that's something we could do. And then I think later we are going to be going to town because Jimmy's truck broke. The steering gearbox is what I call it, that mounts to the frame, that your basically whole front end, like how you steer, is connected to, actually broke off of the frame. I don't know if you can see it on mine. But yeah, here's your steering rod is right here where I'm touching, and it comes out of the firewall down to that box. Well, his box broke, and therefore with no steering in the front, so we're gonna be hooking the 98 up to the gooseneck and going to save him with the winch, which should be a pretty cool video. So just stay tuned till the end, and we'll see what we can get into. We made it down to the farm. We are leaking. I don't know if I don't have that all the way on there, but that end is a little smushed. But we're gonna set you guys up and, like I said, spray off that bottom black there on the truck, just get it good and clean. And then we're gonna come back with tape and some probably paper and paint it black.
Ryan Litzel.
So as you guys seen, I got it all sprayed off. It's taken a little bit longer to dry than I was expecting. There was a nice breeze, but that breeze has fully disappeared. So I have to wait till it gets dry, like that spot there, these, basically all those dark spots. But I say probably another 10 minutes, we should be good to go. I'm probably just gonna get a bag to slide over my exhaust tip, and then I'm probably just gonna get a piece of cardboard, because I'm not gonna paint all the way up to the top. I'm gonna hold it up there and just kind of mist it, because, well, here shortly all this will be getting cut out. Probably all this is gonna be sanded off and redone. We're gonna have a new bed on it, so I'm not gonna be too picky about it. I haven't looked at this side to see how well it's drying, but yeah, this side's got quite a few spots, so we're gonna give it a little bit longer. And then obviously this hood up here will be getting replaced with the cow hood. It does have clear coat peel. This fender's got clear coat peel, but oh well, it's a good looking truck, and we're just gonna kind of clean it up a little bit, make those sides a little bit nicer. So I'm gonna shut you guys off, and well, when it gets dry, I'll bring you guys back. And we're back, everybody. It is fully dry now. These spots back here where there is where the old fender flare was, I took a 220 grit sandpaper to it just to kind of scuff it up. Did it back there as well, and then on the other side. What I am going to do, excuse me, I have this piece of cardboard. Basically just gonna go like so, and then paint, scoot over, paint, and then all the way down the side. I might set you guys up so you guys can actually see me doing it, but then after that, I'm just gonna do it and get it done, and then I'll bring you guys back to show you exactly what it looks like when it's fully done. So we'll jump right into it. And bam, just like that, it is finished. Looks a lot better. I don't know how well you guys can tell because it's starting to lose daylight, but I'll definitely show you guys tomorrow when it's daylight out so you can see. Like I said, I took 220 grit to those bare spots. It definitely cleans it up. It's not so faded and stuff, looks fresh. So, like I said, I'll show you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna let it dry. And I was thinking, when I go to repaint the truck, I think I'm going to take off the front bumper, and instead of leaving it chrome, collar matching it to the truck, and then putting the trim back on, or even making my own trim, because all this trim is there's like pins that go in here, and it just snaps into those pins. So I might look into making my own, but we'll see. I don't know what you guys would think. If that would look good collar matched, like a gloss. Obviously you can't. It's got to be like this, like gloss, shiny, and then you would have that black strip. Because I really want to delete all the chrome on this truck. I'm gonna go to like the 4x4 decals will be like a black. And then the stripe would be like a gray. I want to go to like dark tail lights. I think I'm going to eventually switch out to black tips when I go to redo the whole exhaust. And then I think the bars underneath I'll end up going silver or something, and then putting the GM Man decal on it. But let me know what you guys would think if we did color match that front bumper, because a lot of you know this whole section here and this chrome is gone because we have the new grill. I just got to get it painted and put in. And then we'll have the cowl hood. And then when we have the cowl hood, I'll probably on the side get a decal that says cowl induction, like 355 or something. The badges on the side will go to either a gray or a black. I might go gray just to match the traction bars, but I'm not 100% sure. So let me know what you guys would think if we did color match this. And then I'll pick you guys up tomorrow so you guys can see what it looks like in the daylight. What is up, guys? Welcome back. It is the next day. As you can tell, we have nice sunlight out here. So I just want to show you what it looks like. Sorry for the wind noise. After I spray painted that bottom black. As you can tell, it looks a heck of a lot better. It's dirty. I mean, the side of the truck's dirty. I really can't keep it clean with these wide wheels. But that's what it looks like. Just little improvements like that can make your vehicle look fresh. And what I mean by fresh is not old and outdated. As you can tell before, it was like fading. It just looked real bad. All I did is held the cardboard up there, took some black paint and sprayed it. Now this truck will be getting a makeover soon, like new rocker panels, new cab corners. You guys heard it before, all new beds. So I wasn't too worried about it. But I just want to make it look a little bit nicer than it being all faded and stuff. So that's what we did. But just little improvements like that. I do have the new grill for it. I got to get painted. I've been so busy trying to get farm equipment and stuff ready. I haven't even touched it yet. But this side of the truck is dirty, so we're probably going to wash it at work. We did get a surprise in for the 79, so that will probably be in tomorrow's video. So I just wanted to kind of give you guys an update so you can see what it looks like. But there you go. that's going to be it for this short little video. Little improvements, going to make your vehicle look a heck of a lot better. So remember guys, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'm the GM man. If you're new, smash that subscribe button. Stay tuned for the awesome build content we have on the 98 and the 79, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.